Welcome to the Bre'Aunna show. Grab a snack and get comfortable. All about business, mental health, hair, remote. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Hey, I said welcome to the Bre'Aunna show. What's going on, y'all? It's Bre'Aunna, and I'm back again with another hair video. So if you read the title, today you already know that I will be doing a slick / sleek back little puff on my hair, and it's a little switch up because I do have some color in it. As y'all can see, I have some hair paint wax from an old like twist out type of thing that I did. Definitely go check out my recent hair video that I did, link down below in the DB, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into today's video. I'm going to be using very minimal hair products, some argan oil, eco style gel per usual. An elastic scrunchie was actually like a really big one, but I cut these in half. I think I got these from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. They're super good for like high puffs or low puffs, and there's like no strangle in it, so it's really nice and gentle on my hair. I got some bobby pins for just kind of getting the whole hairstyle together, and for when it sets, I do have my scarf. So let's go ahead and get right. First thing that I'm going to be doing, and I'm actually going to roll up my sleeves because it's going to get a bit messy. So the hair paint wax that I have is transferable. So right now my hair is actually in sections. So I have two top sections here, and then I have one back one. So I'm just taking this out of the scrunchie, and I just twisted it up into a little mini twist last night. So I'm going to go ahead and take the twist out and just kind of fluff it a little bit. Look at that color. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. I freaking love it. You see how transferable that is, y'all? Hands are already blue. Okay, so I know I already showed y'all how blue it is, but I just wanted to show you a bit more. And I think I put more color in the back than anywhere else. So hopefully in this puff it really like pops. Again, very transferable. I would recommend wearing gloves, but your girl ain't got time for that. So get out my gel, and I'm just going to start putting it at the top and kind of smoothing it down. And I'm actually not going to use a brush or anything. Your girl also does not have time for that. So I'm using my hands pretty much for this whole process and smoothing it down, and you could kind of see already. And I'm just going to do that all around and smooth it down, because I want it to be super sleek. And you can actually work in smaller sections than this. But like I mentioned before, your girl doesn't have time for that. I got places to be. And I actually really wanted to film this video. I've always wanted to film a low sleek puff type of video, but I just always miss my chance when I actually, you know, like have it going on. But this time I was like, nope, not happening. And now I'm going to grab my scrunchie that was originally holding my twists together, and I'm going to put that back in its original pony, if that makes sense. So, and boom, that gives me my very first mini little pony. So now we're gonna move on to these two sections, and then that will be slicked back. And it's the same process all the way through, so I'm gonna put on some music and kind of just let y'all watch me work at this point.
Jesus Beats.
my scarf for about 20 to 30 minutes just so she can set correctly. I'm gonna try and leave as much of my puff out as possible. Okay, and I'll be back after my 20 to 30 minutes is up. Alright, y'all, so it's been about 25 minutes since I put on my scarf, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Boom, just like that. And this is how I do my sleep low puffs, okay? And I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Honestly, it's gonna rain today, so I really feel like it's gonna get a little puffy in the front. So yeah, I don't know yet, y'all. We'll see. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think down below, and I will catch you in my next. Okay, bye guys.